Mine was nice.
Yours is beautiful.
I'm gonna clean it up. I got a lot of things I want to do to it. Oh yeah. That's right.
All day is fine, but it's like $80. The other guy only charged me 40.
Yeah.
That's the check. Yeah. So yeah.
Prospect request. How's that point? When there's a vehicle coming, we gotta switch up. It's there. It's for Western Group. Populated for well over 1,000 years by San Manuel and Mojave. The miners, when they got here, caused a lot of commotion with the Indians, and there was battles and rivalries that went on for about. The next structure and last structure here at Hitchcock Ranch. This used to be the general store. But anyway, it's more like a dome-type structure that you can carry on your back. You bring the framework, build the framework, and then you find any bushes nearby and you weave it into the wickiup, and that'd be your shelter. Anyway, beautiful horses out in the meadow.
Okay. Is this Cougar Greens?
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's got the color good. I got a little thing of the touch-up.
Something else to keep in mind as we drive across the finish line here. Some of the proposed windmills.
show you how to do it again? I think I'll walk my backwards. Can we go around it to the right? Oh, you even think about it. Come on. Mike, you have walkers. You can do it. I hope we can do it without walkers, because I don't have any. Yeah, this year the barbecue cook-off is at Discovery Center on September 28th. And the contest is going to be ribs for barbecue. So I guess the only thing that's left there for me would be the spring and the fall. But most of our relatives are still living back there. And